Welcome back, I'm Sean, and the GoFree was a pretty timely launch at a time now where open-style earbuds popularity is on the rise, and I think Soundpeats is milking on this, and today we already have the GoFree 2, so let's check it out. So the GoFree 2 today was sent over to me by Soundpeats for a review, and this is not a sponsored post, so my review will be based on my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. So you can now pick up the GoFree 2 at an attractive price of $45 US, and these actually retails for $75 US, which is still decent for an earbuds of this genre as compared to its competition. So if you're interested in buying one, do check out my links in the description below. So case-wise, I think you still cannot avoid the bigger case here, but this time around the build quality of this case is much better compared to the original GoFree, and this time you get a rubberized finish on the case which feels already a lot premium compared to the GoFree. So at the top here is the Soundpeats badge, and you do get a simple single LED at the front of the case and a Type-C charging port at the back of the case. So when you open up the lid, it stays open very firmly and has a generous opening for you to access your earbuds inside. The lid inside is also very properly designed with the Soundpeats branding inside. So the earbuds itself receive a welcoming change, and this time Soundpeats ditched that large receiver at the end of the wingtip, and the GoFree 2 now has a cleaner, more polished and professional looking design with that silver metallic cap at the end. Although I do miss the receiver being at the end of the tips, that actually gives the earbuds a nice grip on your ears when wearing them. This time around you're getting a super soft wingtip that is flexible enough to move around but rigid enough to stay in place in your ears. So at the front here you're going to get a very nice hard plastic that retains its clean, good looks when you're wearing them, and a beautiful Soundpeats logo in the same chrome silver finish. So behind the earbuds is the charging port as well as the speaker unit for the air conduction speaker. Battery life is still impressive here with a small hit compared to the original, and this time you're getting a 9 hours of battery life and 24 additional hours with the case compared to the 10 hours and 35 hours on the original GoFree. So to be honest, this is still a good thing, and if I can reduce the bulk and get a small penalty on battery life, I think that's a good trade-off. When running with LDAC, you can expect a 30% less juice, so you should get about 6 to 7 hours depending on the volume that you play your music at. So there is also no quick charging on this case here, so it takes about 2 hours to charge up the earbuds and the case. So volume-wise, you're getting a much better performance compared to the original, and for me, a comfortable listening volume starts at around 50% as opposed to the 70% on the original model. And this time you're getting pretty loud volumes at 80%, and anything above that sounds too loud for me. So this is definitely an improvement, because with the original model, 100% still doesn't get me enough volume. So with the new GoFree 2, you're finally getting good volume on an air conduction headphones. So here you are getting the same Bluetooth 5.3 chipset, also supporting the LDAC high-res audio wireless codec. So Soundpeats tried to retain that high-res capability with this price point, which is pretty impressive. So you can stream very good high-quality music with this earbuds. So you're also going to get better water resistant rating this time at IPX5, and this time you can actually use the earbuds for running under the rain or using it in the shower. So you're also going to get a seamless left and right playback with this earbud, so you can pick up either side from the case and it will still work great. And with the GoFree 2, you're also getting a 2-device multi-point with this earbud. So the GoFree 2 also gets the Soundpeats App support, and with the GoFree 2, you're again getting the standard Soundpeats App treatment. And at the first page here, you're going to see the design of the GoFree 2 with its battery percentage, and under the settings tab, you're going to get to adjust the volume and also play around with the adaptive EQ. So if you want to customize them further, you have 9 presets of EQ to choose from here, and also a 10-band EQ to further find the sound that you are looking for. And below that, you can also choose to have gaming mode turned on or off, and also to disable the function buttons, so you can use this when lying down or when playing sports. So there is also a function to enable multi-point connectivity here. Finally, you can also upgrade your firmware on these earbuds over the air. So in terms of sound signature, there's not much changes as compared to the original GoFree, which actually sounds pretty good. Again, with these types of earbuds, you need to set your expectation right at the base performance of open air conduction earbuds. So the general take on these earbuds is that they perform admirably well, and they perform as per Soundpeats' usual great performance. You're gonna get very good mids here, very clear vocal reproductions, and the highs is also still really great sounding with very little distortion even at higher volumes. And Soundpeats manages to keep the performance and the tuning tight even when you're not using the LDAC codec. So you're getting pretty flattish bass performance here with these earbuds, and if you press it into your ears, you can hear it still sounds pretty flat. And if you like bass, these earbuds may not be right for you, but again, the proposition of these earbuds is so that you can hear your environment, not so much about getting great bass. When using the LDAC codec here, they sound very high resolution as expected, and I think they do stay true to the high-res audio badge. So this is a test to see if the Soundpeats GoFree 2 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So you're getting pretty similar performance here with the Latency Performance, and it's really quite good with gaming mode with little to no lag. This also works well with movies and videos. Anyways, let's take a look at the Latency Performance of these earbuds. So overall, I think this is a very good improvement compared to the original GoFree, and I think that the new design, that smaller wingtip without the receiver at the end, really does help a lot of people have a better fit. But personally, I would like that to have a better grip at my ear. But overall, I think the design of the GoFree 2 as well as its performance is definitely on point. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere. If you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.